What's up? Welcome back. I'm here with my June kit lineup, aka the start of Unhinged Planner Girl Summer 2023 for me. I'm gonna be going rogue the entire summer, and I know I'm pretty unhinged with my spreads a lot of the time. By a lot, I mean like 99.9% of the time. But, we're just going bigger and better around here this summer. So just be prepared. June is definitely a very lemongrass heavy month for me. I'm using it in 3 out of the 4 spreads. So LOL, oops. But, look, I've said it a million times. Lemon grass is having a fucking moment in my planner this summer, and I'm so stoked. Sorry to just keep hitting y'all with this foil that nobody sells, but if you foil your own stuff, just buy a roll of lemongrass. Just do it. Thank me later. It goes with so much stuff. My lemongrass crusade is raging on. So first is going to be my birthday spread the week of June 5th through the 11th. My birthday's the 4th, but I had to use the Ted Lasso kit that week because of the finale, and that took precedence over my birthday. So whatever, the 5th is close enough. And I really wanted to use this kit. It is called Birthday Bash. So this is Darcy art, and I had to use it. I don't really like a lot of birthday art. I mean, a lot of it's very good, but I don't like it enough to use it for myself. It's usually just not my style or my taste at all, even if it is well done. But this was an absolute must-use. Darcy just kills it every fucking time, so I had to use this year. So I don't really mind that it's the week after. For foil, I'm using a mix of lemongrass and blue hollow. So I've got the disco ball underlays from PlanWithMeStickers. There are a lot of disco ball elements throughout the kit. So I figured disco ball underlays would be super duper cute with this. So we've got those in lemongrass, and then everything else is blue hollow. So we've got the disco ball washi overlays from Kristen's planner. I'm going to be layering the disco balls over blue hollow bougie boxes from SPC. And then for the bundle, I wanted something a little spicier, a little more interesting than just a confetti bundle. But again, I don't like a lot of the birthday foil out there. So I ultimately decided on the sparkle bundle from PlanWithMeStickers. And I think it's festive enough while still being fairly neutral. Oh, I do have a code with PlanWithMeStickers. It is Domi15, and then I also have a code with SPC, and it is Domi10. So you can use those at checkout to save. But yeah, blue hollow and lemongrass is just one of my favorite foil combos. So I'm so fucking stoked that there's a birthday kit that I can use that with this year. So that's going to be super fun. Very stoked for that. And then for the week of June 12th through the 18th, I'm using the Jurassic Park kit from SPC. And this is for the anniversary, even though it's the week before, I'm pretty sure, but whatever, who fucking cares? So I love Jurassic Park. I talk about my love of dinosaurs all the time. But I had to get this. And I know a lot of people are leaning into the darker colors, but y'all know I saw these bright lemon limey greens and immediately thought lemongrass. Now, admittedly, I only picked lemongrass because of the greens. I didn't really think about how it was gonna look against these darker colors. Could be fugly. I'm hoping that it gives it a nice little punch, a nice little pop, but we'll see. So I am using the Alicia Craft bundle. Although this is not the reformatted one. I bought this before she said she was reformatting it, so I don't know what that looks like, but we've got the full boxes and then the add-on page. I'm obsessed with this. This is just gonna look so fucking good on this box. I can't wait. And then like the headers and deco. And then I pulled in the Dino 2 underlays from PlanWithMeStickers that I also foiled in lemongrass. Surprisingly, I'm not doing a mixed metal for this. This feels weird. This is the first time, there's like foil dust flying everywhere right now. But this is the first time in a long time, I think, that I've done just one foil color. Kind of excited for the simplicity of it all, even though this is such a fucking loud foil. And then, yikes. Okay, so for June 19th through the 25th, this is one of my more unhinged combos. So I'm using Lemonade by SPC, which is Kitnish Jess art, 10 out of 10, perfection, just top tier art. And I know everyone is using pink tie-dye with this, but the second I saw this art, I just knew immediately it had to be a magenta hollow lemongrass mixed metal for me. So this is just a fully rogue combination, and you guys are gonna be like, Domi, what the fuck is wrong with you? But I'm excited. Okay, so I kind of have like just a lot of bits and bobs from all the shops. So for overlays, I have a couple sheets from the Smiley bundle from Leonard Designs in magenta hollow. And then I have some quote overlays from PlanWithMeStickers that I foiled in lemongrass. And I kind of did a Frankenstein where I like pulled some off another sheet and kind of like did a little swap so I wouldn't have to foil a bunch of sheets. So you cannot get this exact sheet, but all of these are available in her shop on one sheet or another. So we've got those for the overlays. And then for the header overlays, I accidentally foiled these in lemongrass. These were supposed to be magenta hollow, but I think it's fine. I think it'll still be super cute. But these are the Falling Daisies pattern from PlanWithMeStickers. And then we've got the Falling Daisies, and I believe these are the Happy Daisy 15mm overlays from PlanWithMeStickers. Hers come with like 3 sets, and I didn't want to like foil 2 full sheets in magenta hollow, so I just kind of like pulled off what I was going to use to foil. And then this is where things get questionable and a little dicey, but I'm layering the Groovy Checker underlays from PlanWithMeStickers that I foiled in magenta hollow over solid lemongrass underlays. So, you know, we'll see how this goes. I feel like it'll look good though, right? Like it's a lot, but like, I mean, look, what do y'all expect at this point? Okay, and then for the final week, this is another going rogue moment, but I'm using the Pride Parade kit from SPC. So this is what the kit looks like. There was not a ton of Pride art this year, so don't know what was up with that, but I do think this kit is cute, and I think this spread is going to be super cute. So I got the rainbow overlay bundle from Planner Choco in Sparkly Hollow. So that's that. And then I am going to be using the Arches underlays from PlanWithMeStickers in Rainbow. And then y'all know we gotta get a little spicy, so I'm gonna be layering those over solid full box underlays that I foiled in Sparkly or Pixie Hollow. My Sparkly Hollow and my Pixie Hollow are different. My Sparkly Hollow has like cute little stars in it, but this is just like a straight Pixie Hollow. So that's that combo. It's gonna be a lot, but like I've said it a million times before, like celebratory weeks, I feel like call for maximum sparkle. So that's what we're doing. So yeah, that is it for my June lineup. So I'm back really quickly to show you the bases because I accidentally went a little bit rogue after I did my lineup and did the entire month of bases in one sitting. So that way, like, I had to commit and couldn't change my mind on anything because y'all know with all of these summer kits, our summer lineups are just fucked right now. So like I needed to commit. So I thought it would be kind of fun to just pop back in and show all of the bases because, not to be dramatic, but I feel like this is some of my best work ever. Some of these like make me physically ill. They make me want to cry. I'm so obsessed with them. So this is June 5th through the 11th. I think it turned out so freaking cute. And then this is the 12th through the 18th. And I was a little skeptical on how the lemongrass would look with like the darker colors in this kit, but I feel like it's kind of a vibe. Like I'm kind of obsessed with it. I feel like this was such a good call. And then this spread, like, bury me in this spread. Like this is just, I literally, like, I cannot fucking handle this. Like, I could just look at this for the rest of my life. Like, I don't even want to put my plans in for this week. Like, I'm going to do literally nothing this week, so that way I don't have anything to put in because, like, goodbye. Goodbye. And then this is the last week, so the 26th through July 2nd, and I can't really like tell how it's translating in the viewfinder. So I don't know if it just looks fugly, but like in person it's so sparkly and so pretty, and I'm just obsessed with it. This is another one that I could look at for the rest of my life. I love it. But like this, like, goodbye. Just like, okay, I can't look at that anymore right now. Like I just, too much for me to handle. Okay. All right. So yeah, that's it for real this time. Thank you so much for watching and hanging out, and I will see you in the next one. Later days.